3. Oh god. Today we're gonna ride a dirt bike. It's cool, but who cares? Hey yo! So that was week's intro. Why do I have super bad camera quality in here? Anyway, we are riding dirt bike. Oh shit! Really, we're in a cloud right now. We're seriously in a cloud. Like, non-joke. Where is the dirt biker? You can hear him. Can't see him. Oh, there he is. Captain Drake. Shit, my hands are freezing and it's snowing and it's... Oh, did you see the back of that dirt bike? Okay. There he is. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little sit down in there, my garage. Okay, see a little. Heyo, so I am back with Drake here. He's look at him, just like exhausted.
Hi.
Anyway, you know how we were dirt biking in a cloud, literally a cloud. Snowed a big time. So
Check out a new video.
yeah, we're posting. So my gaming channel, we just posted a new video on it, and it worked. I left that channel for 5 days and normally upload every day. Did you eat one of these?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat the last one. Oh wait, let's see if I can score. And this ball hoop there. It works.
Remember yesterday we broke it?
Mm-hmm. Fail. God damn it. Wait, one more. Oh!
Oh yeah, we're gonna make it. What? No.
Oh, that was close. Oh, give me that. No, give me it. I'm gonna make it now. It's called Magic Shoot. Oh! Just like a little smudge in the camera, so let me just get that. Okay, I am in my bedroom. It is currently 2:22. Drake left already. Drake just left. Man. And we were explaining how this guy is disgusting on YouTube. Man, Joey's World Tour. Making a YouTube video about this guy. Watch this.
Guacamole, which is a healthy fat, so you can't go wrong. Hi everyone, this is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. Back.
See what I mean? See what I mean? Definitely go watch my video. That link is going to be in the description. You guys should definitely 100% watch that. Because me and my friend Drake just harass him. I don't know why. But, I don't know. Oops. Sorry. It's just like, I'm just laying down. I'm pretty tired right now. So, I'm just gonna, take a little nap, maybe. Oh no, I'm gonna film a CSGO video later. Okay. God, my hair. Anyway, so right now I'm just gonna keep editing this video, I guess. I've been working on it since 12:30. It's almost done, but just still have to do more, so I'll see you guys later. Maybe, I'm gonna end the vlog now. I'm gonna film it later today, but okay, I'm gonna end it now, so I'll just see you later. Okay, peace. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye. Oh my God, bye.